In addition, 2 HIMARS MLRS projectiles have been intercepted near Rubezhnoye. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, concentrated fire attack launched at an area of concentration of the manpower and military equipment of the armed forces of Ukraine near Kislovka in Kharkov region has resulted in the elimination of up to 20 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 infantry fighting vehicle and 2 motor vehicles. In the Krasny Liman direction, Russian artillery fire has hit Ukrainian units near Makeivka and Nevskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, as well as Terny and Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 1 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance group, as well as 1 motor crew, have been destroyed near Stelmakhovka and Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy has lost up to 30 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 2 pickup trucks in the above-mentioned direction. In the Donetsk direction, the Russian forces continued their successful offensive, during which they took advantageous positions. A strike launched at a command post of the 80th Airborne Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has resulted in the elimination of more than 35 Ukrainian servicemen, including 5 senior officers, near Kramatorsk in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy has lost a total of up to 100 servicemen, 4 infantry fighting vehicles and 8 motor vehicles. In the South Donetsk direction, artillery fire and active actions of the Russian forces have resulted in the neutralization of the Ukrainian Armed Forces units near Vladimirovka, Ugledar, Novodonetskoye and Novoselka in Donetsk People's Republic. More than 40 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickup trucks have been eliminated. Missile troops and artillery have neutralized 63 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 79 areas. The provisional bases of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces and foreign mercenaries have been neutralized near Yelizavetovka and Slavyansk in Donetsk People's Republic. Within the counter-battery warfare, 2 Ukrainian Grad multiple launch rocket systems have been destroyed near Pervomayskoye of Donetsk People's Republic and Kamyshevacha in Zaporozhye region. 3 Ukrainian D-30 howitzers have been destroyed near Torskoye, Vodinoye and Marvinka in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 US-manufactured M777 artillery system used for shelling residential areas has been detected and destroyed near Georgievka in Donetsk People's Republic. 2 US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS, 2 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzers, 5 D-30 howitzers and 3 special motor vehicles have been destroyed near Kramatorsk in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have shot down 7 unmanned aerial vehicles near Kremenaya of Lugansk People's Republic, Chervonoye, Kuteynoye and Kropivnitskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Zmiivka in Kherson region. In addition, 2 HIMARS MLRS projectiles have been intercepted near Rubezhnoye and Krasnorechenskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, and 2 HARM missiles near Bayrak of Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 352 airplanes and 192 helicopters, 2,731 unmanned aerial vehicles, 399 air defense missile systems, 7,249 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 944 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,719 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,765 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Одно програють. Слава усім, хто стримує пекло у Бахмуті та на інших напрямках на Донеччині. Слава усім, хто тримає наш фронт. Слава Україні!
Героям слава! Слава!